Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I teach very interesting and useful class for all kinds of ladies. Yes, that is Ari embroidering and hand embroidering. Let's start. I already completed chain stitch. After that I fixed antique beads uniformly like half inches gap, and similarly I pointed three layers. Beads uniformly as it is half inches gap like this. I used 6 colors thread. First you take thread and hold in right hand fingers and the needle hold tightly in the left hand fingers. Then the thread is rotated 3 times and insert nearby starting point. It is very attractive and look like very beautiful. So only I choose this French knot stitches. So friends, you do it. This stitches is very useful. I do it without any collapse the threads and slow down to handle needle. You got beautiful little flowers like this. Similarly, you do it around the beads and got full flower knotting stitches. It is called French knot stitches. Okay. French knot is very easy, but you put without gaps. Then only its look very thick layer and attractive. Just I show you how to do it. You also do like this. Always knotting should be around the beads. Then only it's look beautiful French knot. If you are beginners in RE student, no problem. Just try this model. Surely you got a beautiful perfect design. So try this model. You should fix the cloth in the frame very tightly. Then only this work is very easy. In this stitch is suitable for peacock design and also mango model. So try this. You listen carefully and do it slowly this French knot stitches. twice, 2 to 3 times, then needle inside. Now I just turn my frame, put knot tightly. You are also do it like this. Okay, 2 or 3 knots and cut the thread. That's all. In this design is easy to make a plain chudi into a grand look. This French knot stitch you put without gap, then only it is look very thick layer and attractive and very beautiful. Just I show you. Now I complete flower knotting. Next I take pink color beads in small size to stitching nearby chain stitch. It is very easy and looking for grand, so you can do it the same. Do it very close in small beads without gap. Always in Ari work, generally used gold beads. Now the modern trend are used color beads. So what color you like, you try this. Okay. Almost I completed beads work. Just you see, I fully completed beads work and French knot is over. Next, you draw simple curve. I using pencil. Little curve and fixed beads here. And around the beads put French knot stitches. As well as repeated same work do it here. Beads work now here do it. In this model to use blouse, but here I used chudi. Now I completed for final beads work. I got a beautiful and pretty and grand look design. If you like, subscribe. Thank you.